Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you so simple, only 2 rows repeating one of them only single crochet blanket pattern. It's so simple, so fast crocheting, a little yarn eater, but I think you like that and you will try that. It's so warm and cozy. You can see this is the back side. Also you can use this side and this is the front side. It has a 3D effect because of its puff stitches. I use in this blanket pattern Madame Tricot Paris Trend Cake. It's a multicolor yarn. You can see the colors. I love it. And this is a size 3, yarn 3 category, light category. And they recommend us using 2 or 3 millimeter hook. But I use here 6 millimeter hook. I will find it. Yes, 6 millimeter hook. And this is, one ball is 200 grams. Also, you can need 3 balls of yarn if you want to make a baby blanket. One ball is 7 ounces and it's equal to 361 yards and 330 meters, 100% of acrylic. And the color number is 620. You can wash in 30 degrees, you can iron in low degrees. Do not put in tumble machine, tumble dryer, and don't use bleach. Okay, don't make bleach. That's so simple. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for your kind comments. You can reach me also on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy. Please write me which video you want to have written pattern, which video you want it. Okay, I will make its written patterns on Etsy. Okay, if you're ready, we can start to crochet. Are so simple, only 2 rows repeating one of them. The second row is only single crochet, so simple. I will show you. Let's start to crochet. For this pattern you need even number chains. If you want to make a baby blanket, you need minimum 90 centimeter chains. If you want to make a throw, you need minimum 110 centimeter chains. Okay, first of all, make a slip knot. Then make your chains loosey. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look at, I made them loosey. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. It's enough for showing the pattern to you. You will keep repeat which centimeter you want. Okay, then turn your chains back and you can see here back loops. Skip this very first. Start from the second one, insert that, grab my yarn. I have 2 loops, pull through together. Make single crochets. Insert here, grab my yarn, pull through together. Insert and make single crochet in every each stitch. This is the last stitch. We make single crochet in the first row. Then 1 and 2 chain and turn your work. Count as your first stitch. Then yarn over and start from the second one and make double crochet in every each stitch. Insert, grab my yarn, pull through to, yarn over, insert into the next one, grab my yarn, pull through to, make double crochets. Don't forget last stitch and finish with double crochet. Chain 1 and turn your work. Not count it, insert into the same stitch and make single crochet. Next stitch single. This row you will make a single crochet in every each stitch. Insert, grab your yarn, make single. Like that. Now we will start to make our pattern also. The last stitch here, top, make single crochet. 1 and 2 chains and turn your work. Now accept it as my first double crochet. Yarn over. Not insert your hook previous row, one before of previous row. This double crochet, I insert, this is first one, insert the second one as front post, grab my yarn and lose it. Yarn over, insert into the second double crochet as front post, grab my yarn and lose it. I have 2, 4, 5 loops. Pull through 4 of them, pull through 2 of them. Yarn over. Skip this because we made here puff stitch. Skip this. Count this is as a puff. Insert the next one and make usual double crochet. Yarn over. Next stitch, again insert your hook before of the previous row, double crochet. So skip this because we made double crochet here. Insert the next one as front post, 1, yarn over, 2, pull through 4 of them, pull through 2 of them. Yarn over, skip 1, insert into the next one, make double crochet. Yarn, skip this, insert into the next, double crochet as front post, pull it, yarn over, insert front post as, grab your yarn and pull it, pull through 4 of them, pull through 2 of them. Skip this stitch, insert the next one and make usual double crochet. Yarn over, we will make puff stitch 1 row before of the previous row as front post, 1 and 2. Skip this, insert the next one, make double. Yarn over, skip this, insert the next one, make puff 1 and 2. Skip this, insert the next one, then skip this, come to next one as front post, 1 and 2, pull through 4 of them, pull through 2 of them, skip this, insert the last stitch and finish with double crochet. After that it will be more easier. You can see, chain 1, turn your work, not count and insert into the same stitch and make single. Make a single crochet in every each stitch. Always background, we will make a single crochet in every each stitch. Here. Insert the last stitch, don't forget, and make single. Chain 2 and turn your work, count as your first double crochet. After that, so simple. This is your repeating row. Yarn over. You see here front post puff stitch. Insert that puff stitch as front post again and make puff 1 and 2. Pull through 4, pull through 2. Yarn over, skip this second, insert the next one, make usual double. Yarn over, find the puff as front post, 1 and 2, pull through, pull through 2. Skip 1, insert the next one, make double. Yarn over, find the puff and make front post puff stitch on it, 1 and 2, pull through 2. Skip this, make double. Insert puff as front post, 1 and 2, pull through 4, pull through 2. Skip this, next stitch, make double crochet. Find the puff, 1. If you use more thinner yarn, maybe you will make your puffs 3 times. Okay, it's about your yarn, your hook, and your choice. Skip this, insert the next one, make double. Then make here 1 and 2. Skip this and don't forget last stitch, finish with double crochet. Chain 1 and turn your work, not count, and make single crochet in each stitch. Background is always as same as here. Make it more faster because it's so simple, I think. Here, last 2 stitches, last stitch, chain 2 and turn your work. You know this is your first double crochet. Find the puff as front post, 1 and 2, pull through 4, pull through 2. Skip the second, insert into the next one. Yarn over, find the puff, 1 and 2, pull through 2. Skip this, insert the next one, make double. That's it. You will always keep repeat like that. And I think this is beautiful and so simple pattern. If you a beginner crocheter, if you don't want to make more tough and hard pattern, you don't want to make, you can use this pattern. It's a little yarn eater, that's a little problem, but it's so fast crocheting. You will keep repeat which size you want. You can keep repeat it. I hope you like it and you will try that. If you have any questions, please leave me comments. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.